Hi, I'm Mihir from ViaTerra, and this video covers a few things that you can do to improve the life of your motorcycle riding pant. Being mindful about how you care for and store your gear can ensure that it serves you better and for a longer duration. The first tip is to always air out your pant after every ride, whether it's a regular commute, a weekend ride, or after a long day of touring. Riding a motorcycle is an active exercise and there is bound to be some level of moisture in your gear at the end of a ride. Hanging your pant in a shaded but well ventilated area will allow it to dry and prevent the buildup of bacteria and mold. Whenever you are hanging your pant, be aware of the fact that the fabrics in your riding pant have to carry the weight of the armors that are held within it. Your ViaTerra riding pant has a built-in hanging loop, which is usually near the label at the back of the pant. You can hang your riding pant using this loop in a way that the front of the pant is facing outwards, or by using a hanger like we have. This will allow the inner side of the pant to dry out really well. If you do not have access to a hook or a hanger, say while traveling, it's better to place your pant flat on a surface with the front zip entirely opened up. If required, you can flip it over after some time to air out the other areas. It is always a good idea to dust your riding pant regularly, or if you notice any specific patches of dirt, say after a short weekend ride, you can clean those patches using a moist cloth or a soft bristle brush. And of course, you'll also need to periodically wash your riding pant thoroughly. If you'd like to know more about how to wash your riding gear and how often you should do it, I invite you to watch our video on how to wash your ViaTerra riding pant, a link of which should be in the description below. Now, coming back to day-to-day care, we also recommend periodically examining the zippers, the large main zipper as well as those on the side pockets. You can use a soft brush like a toothbrush to clean the zipper tracks to remove dust, dirt or grime that may accumulate there over time. Doing this will ensure that the zipper functions more smoothly and prevents damage. You can also use wax or a silicone based zipper lube to lubricate the zipper from time to time. Now let's talk about storage. The ideal way to store your pant is to keep it folded but in a well ventilated cover after removing the armors. If you use your riding pant often, for example every day or every other week, you can store it with the armors in place, but be careful to ensure that the armors are not folded or bent. However, if you only use your riding pant once in a few months, we recommend removing the armors and storing them separately so that there is less likelihood of damaging the armor. As a rule of thumb, while all armors used in ViaTerra pants have a significant level of flexibility, they are not designed to be folded or bent beyond the limits of regular body movements. Always make sure that your ViaTerra riding pant is completely dry before putting it into storage. We also do not recommend using any kind of sealed storage unless you are certain that your garment is completely dry, as this could cause mold to build up on the inside and consequent deterioration to fabric and materials. If you have any other questions about how to care for or store your ViaTerra riding pants, feel free to reach out to our customer support team by email, WhatsApp, or simply logging onto our website viaterragear.com. Until then, here's wishing you many safe miles with your awesome ViaTerra riding gear. Do let us know what you thought about this video in the comment section below.